Hi guys, this is Raneir Pollard and I'm here with a 30-minute cardio HIIT workout. Get ready to sweat. Let's do this. Okay guys, I got Brittany on my right that'll be doing modifications and Michaela on my left who will be trying to stay with me, and I wish you a lot of luck, okay? We're all gonna get down on the ground and we're gonna start with some active warm up. We're gonna go down dog, hips up to the sky, nice deep breath, push the ground away, inhale, hips high, 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 exhale, and a lunge stretch. Step one foot as far forward as you can. Try to almost emulate an up dog with your upper body as you put that leg forward. Inhale, hips high, exhale, alternating those legs. Now you can speed the motion up depending on how your body's feeling and how slow you'd like to put this right now. I'm really enjoying that lunge stretch, so I want to slow it down. Inhale high, and exhale forward. I know some of you come into these workouts already warmed up, so maybe you want to move a little bit faster. And for the entire video, if that's who you want to be, if you want to be the one moving a little faster, I applaud you. Please be that person. Let's get our last one here. Exhale forward, use that breath. Inhale back up, and let's lie down for our next activity. Now we're gonna go to a nice simple Superman swim, where I want you to emulate, you're in the ocean, you're paddling with those arms, you're squeezing that butt and flutter kicking those legs. Now, some of our intervals today are gonna be around 40 seconds, others are gonna be a quick 20 seconds with a little 10-second rest. If you know me, which you should, you know I do those intervals a lot. Okay, rest, that's that first one. Now, if right now, you wanted to go to a quick child's pose, you got 5 more seconds to do so. If not, we're just gonna look down at the ground, keep the neck comfortable, and get right back to that swim. So I'm reaching as far forward as I can, and my other hand is going to the back of my booty, trying to stay high. The back of my hand is also staying high to the sky and getting a little bit more work from my upper back and that shoulder blade area. And rest, very nice. Now, we're gonna go right back to the down dog. This time, not a lunge stretch. We are going to drive the knee under the body. So abs in, hips up high, inhale, exhale, drive that knee underneath the chest, and continue to alternate. So it's this part of the workout that we're starting it to get into more of that aerobic setting. I want you to start to make the rate of your movement pick up a bit. Honestly, in this workout, if you just keep it moving, I promise your heart rate will go up. So if it's your first time doing it, you don't have to focus on speed. Focus on the form, get acquainted with the movements, and your second time around, you can speed it up right away. Okay, drifting forward and back. Don't take time to adjust your shirt, you're at home. Okay, no one cares. Let it fall, it's all good. Love yourself, love your body. Okay, y'all, let's rest that. Lie right back down. If you like, get a quick little child's pose. We are gonna be up, getting that heart rate up. Okay, y'all, let's come up. We're gonna get into a nice skip. It looks just like the Running Man, but I want it to be as active as possible. So unleash your inner track star and move these knees. I'm driving my knee up as I'm pushing my foot down, and I'm trying to enjoy myself. I'm not gonna lie to you, okay? Staying nice and tall, chest up. This is one of our longer intervals. Really drive that knee up like you wanna hit yourself in the chest. Now you see Brittany getting herself a good march. She's enjoying herself.
I am,
okay?
So much fun.
If you're moving, you're winning. And that's what I want you to remember today. Let's get these last 5 seconds. Move it, drive it, stay tall, and rest. Now we're gonna go right down to the ground, tap the opposite shoulder. It's only 20 seconds at a time, so I know you can give me some good speed. Since we're focusing on cardio, let's go fast with it. Put your feet wide if you wanna make it a little bit easier. Join me here. I want you to try to keep your hips as still as possible when you're tapping these opposite shoulders. Only 20 seconds here. So you will get a little break in 10 seconds. Let's fight. You're pushing the ground away from you. Be very active about the arm that stays on the floor. Rest. We're gonna do that one more time and then get up. And yes, by the end of this first section, I will be drenched. You see these sweat dropping, okay? Second set, go. Tap it out, tap it out. I'm loving seeing Brittany on these knees. Maybe I'm a little jealous, but we will make it through. Ooh, tap it, tap it. How you doing, Michaela?
I'm doing great.
I believe it. I believe it. And rest. Let's come right back up. So we're gonna get right back into these skips, but I want you to pretend you're getting a skull crusher right across the body, okay? And drive your hands to the opposite knee. Let's see if you can make it into a nice skip motion. Go. One long set, feeling crazy. I'm not gonna lie, I do this move in my classes. I've seen a lot of people look pretty darn ridiculous doing this. And if that's you right now, remember, you're moving, you're winning. It's all good. Love yourself. Commit a move, honey. Commit a move. We're more than halfway there. Drive it. Make it hot. Make it hot. The faster you drive your hands up, the more your back's gonna work. The harder you drive your hands down, the more those abs are gonna work. Let's go. 4 seconds. 3, 2, and rest. Very nice. Okay, we're getting back onto the hands. This time we're gonna tap the opposite knee. When I do this slowly, crazy ab workout. But because we're gonna make it faster, abs and cardio. We start in 4, 3, 2, go. Tap it out, tap it out. And remember to be very deliberate about the hand and foot that are left behind. Those limbs are working hard. Tap, 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 tap. It's not just about the hand and foot that are moving. Rest. One more time, and our first little section is down. It starts in 5 seconds, this last full set.
All right, let's do
get
this.
It, girls. Go. Tap it, tap it. Drive that knee. How stable can you keep those hips as you tap that knee under the body? Not a rhetorical question, y'all. Come on. Push, 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 push. 5 seconds. Come and get it. Push through it. And rest. Nice job. Come up. If you're ready, soaking the floor up, feel free to get a little towel off. I hear y'all two are sweaters too. Oh, yeah. Look at y'all. You promised me you were gonna sweat too.
You know, it's almost
okay,
there.
I gotta be
patient. It takes a little second.
I told y'all it takes me, what? Just a hello, and I'm sweating. Okay, next up, a movement a lot of you guys know me for, the quick feet. We're gonna take it side to side. Let's make it. Let's make it. Pitter patter, side to side. It's like, I've said it before, if there's a line of ants, I want you to kill every ant in this line, okay? If you see a bee, skip it, because those bees are becoming endangered, and we need them in the ecosystem. But these ants, they can die, okay? These are some killer ants. They're trying to hurt somebody. I want these ants dead. Do you hear me? I want them dead. Come on, move it. If your booty is jiggling, you're doing it right. Come on.
Good.
Hello. Russ, I don't mind a little booty jiggle. I don't know what's wrong with people. Let the booty jiggle. Let the booty jiggle. Now we're gonna go from that to some skaters. So I want you to push off on that outside leg, side to side easy. Pretend you got your brand new white sneakers on. Jump over that puddle of mud, okay? Ready? Go, push it, push it. I'm letting my upper body follow my lower body in the direction I'm jumping. So I'm twisting it out. These glutes are nice and engaged. That knee is bent, pushing good and powerful. Now, you got options here. You can make it a smaller puddle that you're jumping over and make them quicker jumps, or make it a bigger puddle and more explosive jumps. I promise both options will get your heart rate up. You got 7 seconds. Keep it moving. Keep it flowing. Oh, yes, honey. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now, operation coordination. We have 3 skaters and a quick feet pattern to reset, okay? So it'll be a 3, a 2, a 1, quick feet back to the left. Right leg in the air, take it behind, let's go. 3, 2, 1, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet, reset that right leg. 3, 2, 1, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. Whenever I do quick feet one way, I don't know why, I always think of a typewriter. Is that a weird reference? Is anybody, I mean, some of these kids like, what's a typewriter? Get on Google, look up typewriter. They existed a long, long time ago in a galaxy far, far away. Okay, keep it up, y'all. Last moment. Ooh, I thought that was booty cheeks. Come on, come on, come on. Last bit, all the way through the finish line. All the way through the finish line. And rest, nicely done. And then you have a nice transition over to the other side. We just had one of our longer intervals. You get to sit here and breathe. Let's rehearse. Left leg comes back. We go a 3, a 2, a 1, quick feet to the right. Rehearsal's over.
Okay.
Let's make it happen. 3, 2, 1, quick feet, quick feet, quick feet. Nice, y'all. Push it, push it, push it. How you doing? How you doing?
Good.
Yes, push it, push it, push it. Attack the ground, attack the ground. Nice, y'all. Remember, those killer ants are still there, mocking you, laughing at you like, oh, you still didn't get me though. You still didn't get me though. How you like me now? You're dead. You're dead. Talk to me that way. Come on, come on. Yeah. Last moments, make it hot. Make it hot, make it hot. And rest, nice, nicely done.